Surprising tricks that will make your life easier. Homemade incense. Turn your home into a bug-free environment with this simple and natural solution. Just put some coffee grounds in a small container. Then add a bit of cinnamon. Light this mixture and enjoy this homemade incense. That will not only repel flies and other insects, but also fill the space with a pleasant and cozy scent. This is a perfect trick to share with friends and family who are looking for eco-friendly and aromatic solutions for the home. Homemade mold prevention. Here's a practical solution you probably don't know. Take a wet wipe and place some rice grains in the center. Then make a little pouch and place it in your wardrobe. The rice has the ability to absorb all the moisture, keeping your clothes free from mold and bad odors. This is a simple way to prolong the life of your favorite clothes. Bad shoe odor. Most people have definitely dealt with foot odor or smelly shoes at some point. So here's a trick you may not know. Use coarse salt to neutralize the smell. Just put 2 tablespoons inside each shoe. Shake it a bit to distribute the salt, then leave it for 24 hours. The salt not only absorbs moisture, but also neutralizes the odors, saving your shoes and preventing you from having to get rid of them. Efficient floor cleaning with a broom. Did you know it's much better to put a cap over your broom when sweeping the house? The cap easily catches all the dust and hair, leaving the floor spotless. Plus, this technique reduces the time spent cleaning and significantly improves results. And best of all, nothing sticks to the broom. Travel safely with your beauty products. Transporting lotions and perfumes without spilling them in your luggage can be quite a challenge. An easy solution for this is to use balloons. Cut the tips off the balloons, then place them over the bottles and flasks. This will prevent leaks, so you'll protect your products and keep your luggage safe and clean. Fold your socks the easy way. Keeping your socks organized and in good condition can be simple with the right folding technique. Instead of leaving them scattered around, follow this process I'm showing you. You'll not only save space in your drawers, but also extend the lifespan of your socks. So, did you enjoy today's tips? Let us know in the comments which one you liked the most and which one you didn't know before. Take care and see you in the next video.